Hello everyone, how are you all doing? I hope you would be doing fine. Today I'm gonna give you a quick tour of one of the most happening place in eastern province of Saudi Arabia. It's none other than Ajdan Walk. This is one of its kinds of fast food village in the eastern province of Saudi. It is located on the Corniche road. It has many top brands of restaurants all located at one place, just like PF Chang's, Starbucks, Bubble, Asha's, Cheesecake Factory and many more. So all the restaurants are beautifully located and designed at this place. So I am gonna give you a quick tour of all the restaurants which are available over here, and apart from that I will take you guys to the Cheesecake Factory. So this is one of the most happening place in Eastern Province. As you can see this building, tall building, they are gonna construct 5-star hotel over here. Apart from that, there will be cinemas opening soon over here. And now you can see that this place is so beautiful. It's one of the most favorite place of all the people to sit outdoors, especially in winters. Even in summers, it's one of the most happening place where you can find all your favorite restaurants, Texas Grill, New York Fries and everything. Okay, so let's go downstairs and see what's there. So this is just the parking area because since it's one of the happening place, so there's a lot of rush of the people over here. So this is one of the parking areas where you can park your cars and come easily and enjoy the place. Okay, so we took the tour, so let's go back using the electric stairs. So if there is any Nando's fan over here, guys, don't forget to come here. Okay, so there's Buffalo Wild Wings as well, and then there's Do's. It is one of the most favorite coffee shop of Arabs. This place is extremely soothing and calm. There is one more gossip cafe which is coming soon. And now we are heading towards Cheesecake Factory. It is one of my most favorite restaurants. So we are here to celebrate the birthday of our baby. He has turned 1, so we are here to give him a little treat. As you can see, due to the COVID, they are taking all the SOPs properly, so we gave our name in the list, and now we are waiting for our turn. When the buzzer will turn red, we will head inside. So finally our buzzer rings, so we are heading inside now. As you can see, they have taken care of all the SOPs very properly. This is the inside view of the Cheesecake Factory. These are various yummiest cheesecakes, and I just love Hershey's cheesecake and double chocolate cheesecake. You can try whatever you like. And apart from the cheesecake, it is also famous for its few dishes, which I will let you know in a while. So this person is decorating the cake for the special cake for someone. If you request them, just like we requested them, that it is our baby's birthday, so they will give you a small sweet treat by beautifully writing happy birthday and singing the song for you inside. Okay, so here comes my most favorite dish, and it is one of the speciality of Cheesecake Factory. Its name is chicken Madeira. And we ordered beef sliders along with it. It is more than enough for 2 people. So this is the inside view of their kitchen. They have mirror, so you can see what and how they are actually working inside. It's absolutely transparent and clear. You can see the inside of the kitchen. This is one of the best things of the Cheesecake Factory. Okay, so after that, just like I told you guys, that we requested them that it is my baby's birthday, so they all came along singing a beautiful happy birthday song for my baby and made his day. And they beautifully decorated it with the bunties and beautifully written happy birthday for Ibrahim. This was Hershey's cheesecake, and it was really good. Okay, now we are heading back towards our home, and this is the night view of Ajdan walk, still happening, beautiful, even more beautiful at night. So if you like my video, please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Take care. Thank you. This is Asha's. This is I'm showing you this from the outside. This is one of the most famous Indian restaurant, and yes, it is happening as well. Take care. Thank you. Bye bye.